Hi, I'm Val Schober, and this is my personal goals video. A little bit about me. I am married. I've been married for almost 21 years. I have two children. My son is a junior in high school, and my daughter is a freshman at Missouri Southern State University. We live in Inman, Kansas, which is a small town in between McPherson and Hutchinson, Kansas. I work for the Reno County Infant Toddler Program as an early childhood special educator. We serve children birth to 3 with special needs all throughout Reno County. Our offices are housed in the Early Education Center, which is a program for 0 to 5-year-olds. My interests include spending time with my family. I love being outside. I love summer, and I love working with kids. As far as my background, my freshman year of college, I attended Fort Hays State University. I then, after that, transferred to McPherson College, where I graduated with a bachelor's degree in elementary education and early childhood special education. About 10 years after that, I went back to school and attended Baker University to get my master's in education. My goals. My personal goals, as far as in the next 1 to 5 years, is to continue to be able to spend time with my family, travel as much as we're able to with our busy schedules. I ran my first half marathon early this fall, and I'd like to do more of those. So of course, continuing to be healthy, to be able to do all of those things. And really, I just want to continue to be able to watch my children grow and follow their dreams and kind of see what life has for them in the next 6 to 10 years. I mean, in all honesty, I'd love to be debt-free and continuing to follow the personal goals as far as just watching my kids travel, enjoying spending time with my husband. Beyond 10 years, I hope to be close, very, very close to retirement, and maybe even live somewhere that's really warm and enjoying that life. As far as professional goals, my professional goals in the next 1 to 5 years is to get my leadership endorsement and then continue my career as the director of the Early Education Center. So pretty much be my boss, who my boss is right now. And so that's my goal right now. As far as that, in the next 5 years, I hope to expand early childhood in Reno County. We have lots of children, and we need to expand to be more of a universal preschool, which is bringing all the programs together in Reno County in early childhood and kind of having one universal preschool program or early childhood program. I love working with kids. I love working with babies. And that's kind of where I want to spend the rest of my career. I hope to retire in about 12 years, of course, after I get this endorsement and am an administrator. Who knows, I may want to work even longer than that. Why did I choose Fort Hays? For the money, looking at different colleges and how much it costs per hour. Fort Hays tended to be one of the cheaper options, and the fact that it was online and that I only had to get 21 credits because I am doing the endorsement, the non-degree seeking leadership program, rather than going through the whole master's program, which I believe is 36 hours. Plus, it's all online, and I can do it at home in my free time. My initial expectations of the program, I guess I just had a lot of questions as to what the program entails, what the classes entail, what I will be doing, what are my expectations as a student and as a learner. And then I just hope to learn a lot from this program, which I am in my 3rd class right now, and I have learned a lot. So I hope to learn a lot that will get me ready to be a future administrator, which I feel like I have learned a lot, and I look forward to learning even more. So thank you. I hope you guys all have enjoyed my presentation.